A very good morning, children. Last class we studied about teeth of different animals and how it is useful for the animal to eat their food. In today's class, we are going to learn about teethless animals. Snakes, they don't have teeth. Their upper and lower jaws are not joined, so they can open their mouth wide and they swallow their food as a whole. Frogs and chameleons, they have a long sticky tongue which they can roll out quickly to catch an insect. Insects like butterflies and bees, they have a straw-like tube which is attached to their mouth, and they use this straw-like tube to take the nectar from the flowers. Coming to the birds, birds have different types of beaks that help them to eat. Birds also use their beaks to build their nest and to feed their young ones. Birds like sparrows and hen, they eat grains, so they have a strong cone-shaped beak. Birds like eagles and vultures, they eat the flesh of other animals, so they have a sharp and hooked beak. Parrots have a sharp, curved beak to crack open hard nuts. Woodpeckers, they have a long and strong beak. They use it for making holes in trees and they live inside these holes. Hummingbirds have a long pointed beak that help them to take the nectar from flowers. Pelicans have an interesting beak. It is shaped like a pouch which can hold the fish which they catch. Coming to the food chain, a food chain shows how each living thing depends on one another for food and for energy. For example, a grasshopper eats grass. A frog eats grasshopper. A snake eats the frog. And an hawk eats the snake. When the hawk dies, its body is decomposed by decomposers like fungi and bacteria, and the energy is given to the plant. This is a complete food chain. A food chain always begins with a plant. I hope you all understood. Thank you, children.